Today we will show you how to make Temari Sushi, a delightful bite-sized bowl-shaped sushi. These colorful and beautiful sushi with seafood and vegetables are perfect for special occasions, festivals, and holidays, and it's surprisingly easy to make at home. A full recipe is on JapaneseCooking101.com. First, we make the sushi rice. Mix rice vinegar, sugar, and salt together in a bowl, and we cooked 2 cups of rice in a rice cooker. And mix the hot steamed rice with the vinegar mixture. Gently fold the vinegar mixture into the rice and allow the rice to cool while preparing other ingredients. Next, we make the kinshi tamago, shredded egg crepes. We have more detailed recipe video if you are interested, watch. But basically, we mix a couple of eggs with a pinch of salt and make thin crepes and cut into thin threads like that. We will cut the avocado next, cut into quarter and peel the skin and slice very thinly. Next, we cut the sashimi-grade seafood very thinly and about 1.5 to 2 inch long pieces. We are using tuna, yellowtail, and salmon sashimi. We can also use cooked shrimp, simmered vegetables such as bamboo shoots, carrots, and mushrooms. And slice cucumber thinly. For garnish, thinly cut the shiso leaves and slice lemon thinly and cut into quarter pieces if you like. You can use any kind of toppings you like and be creative. We are going to assemble. Place a sheet of plastic wrap on a flat surface, then arrange our topping or a combination of toppings on the plastic. Then place a heaping tablespoon of sushi rice on top. Then gather the edges of the plastic wrap and twist in the middle to form a ball, like that. Repeat and make variations using different toppings. This is so much easier than making sushi rolls or traditional nigiri sushi. You can invite friends and family members to help or make it together. When it's all done, unwrap the plastic and place the sushi on a serving plate or in a box like that. And garnish if you like. Serve with a small tray of soy sauce on the side. This beautiful bite-sized sushi will definitely impress your guests at your next party. We hope you give it a try soon.
美味しいね。